city that I got the ticket in, but it didn't worry. I didn't care anyway because I wasn't gonna be in that city for 3 months. Again, I was like, I never just go to the city. I don't go to that city often anyway, so I was like 3 months. I'll just never go to it anyways, and my ticket would be off because I'm not even gonna go to the city within that 3 month period unless I'm taking a bus. And I didn't go. And the ticket, I went up to the. I had to pay a certain fee. I think you have to, and then with the first ticket, I had to take the safety driver's course. Yeah, and that was what is included with that also. So they told me I had to pay this certain amount, and then I had to pay for the safety driver's course. So I paid for the safety driver's course and everything. I took the test. I passed it. First time, and the test is just, it was boring. I had the audio online. It was repetitive, boring, long, very long, a long test. But I passed it. It's the key. Pass your test, because if you fail it one time, they're gonna make you buy it and pay all over again. And then you have to get your your information, your certificate mailed in to you, or however you're gonna do it. But with me, and then again with the ticket, again you have to get the certificate mailed to you, and then the last thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go up to the courthouse. You're gonna go up to the courthouse with your traffic ticket, safety driver's course certificate, your safety driver's course certificate. You're gonna take that to the courthouse before the due date, because they're gonna give you a due date to you for the certain amount of time you can take the safety driver's course. And then after you show them that you completed the certificate, you got the certificate, that's when they're gonna give you the date that you can't get a ticket in that city for a certain amount of time. So for the certain amount of time, you can't get a ticket at all in that city. And then once you don't get a ticket in that city for that certain amount of time, the ticket is gone. Well, it's never on your record anyways until you don't pay or something, or when you pay, and then But again, I had a traffic ticket lawyer, so I gave him the certificate. Bam, everything off. I beat the 3 month period. Went back. I think I signed something. Something happened, and they gave me show that it was over with. It was done. The case was dismissed. The ticket was dismissed. Not on my record. Then the second one, I got another one, like probably some months down the road after that. And this is the key with traffic ticket lawyers also. There's some loopholes that you can do that can help you out. And a lot of people don't know about this, but they can help you out. Again, I'm in the state of Texas. I don't know about any other states, but you get a traffic ticket here, and it's, again, the second ticket I got, I think I was doing 20 or 25 over the limit. So again, this was my first ticket in this city that I was in Texas. This city, a common one, but I was in this city, so I had to be safe. But I just want a quick bounce back to the first ticket. The first ticket that I had got, I turned around and I got pulled over the same night by a cop for speeding again. But the cop, he wound up letting me go. But still, it was sort of a scary situation too, because the cop got out the car and he had his gun drawn, because I didn't stop as soon as as soon as he put the lights on. I wanted to be stopped in a well-lit area, with different things that go on with cops. I just wanted to be safe, but I guess he didn't take that too kindly, me not stopping as soon as he put his lights on. So he got out the car with his gun drawn, but he ended up letting me go, so that's good. But back to the second ticket. Got that ticket, 25 over, the story, 25 miles per hour over the limit again. So the cop writes me the ticket. I used the same traffic ticket law firm that I use. Wow, look at this out here. Give me for the noise. Some jerk is running his car. Let me get away from him. Yeah, but I got the same, again, this just threw me off track, forgive me. I got the same traffic ticket. I used the same traffic ticket law firm. I used the same firm. And I was 25 over the limit again. So I called the law firm up. We did the quick little check. They got my info and everything. So I was already in the system. So, you know, only thing I had to do was pay with my card. Paid with the card. Got everything okay. And it was okay. Got everything okay. And yeah, I got everything okay, taken care of. And with this one, I had a ticket in Garland. I didn't have to show up to court. I didn't have to show up at all for the court date. Somebody went there for me, and then they gave me, you know, they went to see if it was going to be settled or not. They didn't settle it, so it was a certain amount that I had to pay, and I had to take my safety driver's course. So again, I did all of that. I took the safety driver's course again, and see, this is the key. Because in the state of Texas, if you try to do it on your own or without a law firm, because at first I called and I thought, oh man, I was messed up because I was fucked because, man, I took this test within I think they give you a 6-month period where you can take the test. You can only take it in a 12-month span. You can't take it twice within a 12-month span or a 6-month span. I don't know which one it is. But I know that I was within the limit. So, you know, I got to calling around. I called the safety driver's course place that I used the same one that I used. And then they were telling me on the line, they were saying that no, you can't take the course again because you already took it and blah, blah, this and blah, blah, that. And you can't take it again because, you know, you done already took it in the month span, the limit. But again, I called my law firm. Called the law firm that I was with and asked them about it. They explained the situation to me, and they told me that the reason being that I was with the law firm, it doesn't matter when I can take the safety driver's course as long as I want to. It doesn't matter about the span. It's off the limits with them. So listen to this carefully. If you have to take the safety driver's course and you with a law firm, and within that time, the span that you have to take it, without a law firm, you can't take it. But with a law firm, if you know, you're in the limit, you're in that span, like you have to take the test twice or more than that, during that month span, you'll be able to take it with a traffic ticket lawyer, but you won't be able to take it. If you didn't have a traffic ticket lawyer, you wouldn't be able to take it. So that's a key. And that can help you out with getting that off your record. So again, I didn't have to show up to court this time. Only thing I had to do was, you know, get my safety driver ticket, and they're going to ask you to pay a certain amount. They're going to send you information. They're going to go to the courthouse for you. They're going to do all that. And you pay the certain amount first, and then you get your traffic ticket, safety driver's course.